Hello and welcome to the Boolean basics. So let's get started. So I have made this a little monkey duck over here. All right, so I'll begin. So this is the main object and I want to subtract this monkey head from this surface. All right, I'll select the main object, come over here, add modifier and add Boolean. All right. So in order to subtract, this is the difference selected already. So just pick the object, click on this and pick the monkey head. Okay. So at the moment looks like nothing is happening, but if I select the monkey head and press H to hide it, and now you can see. All right. So this is one way to do it. I'll just unhide the head. So at the moment, if I move this up, it looks like there is no Boolean, but the Boolean is active at the moment. So this target object, as soon as it intersects, the Boolean kicks in. But since this is visible, we don't see the effect. So one way to hide this, we can turn the visibility, the display as bounds. So when we turn this on, we can see the boundary of it and we can see the Boolean effect. And now we can change this in real time. If I move this, you can see the Boolean effect in real time. I can change the shape, scale it, or rotate it. You can see the effect. But this method, there's a lot of work involved in order to make it display as bound and then move it around. There's a lot of work in it. So there's another method that will make this process a little bit easier. So I will first undo everything. Okay, and I will come over here and delete the modifier. And let's use a tool called Bool tool. This is the add-on that comes with the Blender. So go to Edit, Preferences, and click on Add-ons. And over here, just type in Bool, B-O-O-L, and you get this Bool tool. Just click on this check mark, and it will enable it. And this is the shortcut list. And you can use the shortcut, or you can close this and use it from the side menu over here. I'll press N on my keyboard and come over here to the Edit tab, and then this is the one, expand this Bool tool. Okay, so now let's try this. I'll select this object, and this is the auto Boolean. So what we need to do is first select the target, not the main object. Main object you will select last. So first select the target and then select your main object and then click on difference, and now you can see the effect. But this is a destructive method in a way that you cannot do much and the modifier is already applied. All right, but this is a faster way. Undo. I'll select again target and then the main object and then click on intersect, so it shows the intersect part only. Undo. Let's try the slice. I like this slice option. You can use this to bring out a nice cutout detail. And I can bring this up. Okay, so the interesting method is over here. I'll select this target and then shift click the main object, and now when I click difference, it automatically creates the bound for the target object. And now if I move it around, I can change this in real time and play with this. Okay, this is cool, isn't it? Once you're happy, you can click on this, come over here, and then you can apply the modifier, or you can apply from here, apply all, and it's done. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. Let's move on to example number 2. So I will hide this and unhide this, and this plus sign I want to subtract onto the surface. Okay, so I will click on this and move it down somewhere over here, and now click on the target that I want to subtract, and then select the main object, and I will click on this difference. So there you go. Of course, I can change this on the fly. All right, and let's add one more object while this is active. So I will paste. All right, this one. So this is like a dot. So let me position this, bring it down somewhere here. Okay, and I will select this and then shift click on this and click on difference. There you go. So both of these objects are active and I can change them on the fly. Rotate it, maybe like this. And I can make changes to this one as well. Make it smaller, move it in place. Once I'm happy with this, come over here and apply the bevel modifier. And I can adjust. Now you can see this is looking really cool. So let me click on this and apply all. So this is a very neat tool and it's very helpful. Go ahead and start using it and let me know in the comments how did you find this tool. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time in another video.